Hi my friends, Sam VA here. Welcome to Sam's Hair Hacks. All about tips and tricks and ideas just for you behind the chair. Now it's all about working with products in different ways. Today's product of choice is Iron Shape 11, a heat protecting spray. Not an option, a necessity when working with heat. Heat protection, yet lasting style. And then it's all about medium spray that locks in any look that you choose to do. So let's share a look with you. What we refer to as a flat wave. Credit goes to the great Redken artist, Hugo Urias. Now watch how we're just gonna take a slice. We come back through. Remember, product is not an option, it is a necessity. So we're coming back through with our Iron Shape 11. And notice I lifted and sprayed on both sides. Once we do this, now watch, it's just about making C's. See how I get that C section right in there? I'm just gonna make these types of sections there for you, and I'm gonna continue to alternate those all the way down as I go. So let's tilt the head so you can actually see the action of the iron and how it's placed. So let's form our first C. Now we come through, and now just tap. Tap, 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 tap. Heat up that whole entire C, okay? Once we got the C there, now turn and make another C. C for being creative, not only with products, but with your tools. Okay, now pause, make your next C. See, I make that. Now come through, tilt the iron, and just let the hair push into that. Notice that the iron's not traveling down the section. There's my next C. Notice how I just push that up, pause. Now form your next one, and now just push it up as you go. And now watch what happens. When we release that, you get this flat wave that has an S pattern. It's a great tip, nice hair hack for you. Try it, you'll love it. Iron Shape 11, heat protecting spray. Thanks for watching. Want more hacks? Be sure to check out Sam's Corner on the new Redken Break Room. If you love to learn, be sure to follow @Redken 5th Ave on Instagram for more hacks and tricks from me.